In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool, shell. With shell, we can remove material from a solid body to create a thin walled feature. So for example, we want to remove this material on this face, and we want to create a thin walled feature with thickness of the 5 millimeters. So the first way how we can do this, we can create a sketch here, like this, and we can go with offset entities. Let's go with 5 millimeters. Let's go reverse, like this. Let's click OK. Now we can go to Features, Extruded Cut, and here we have an option, Offset from Surface. So we're going to choose this surface, and the offset distance will be 5 millimeters. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. But we can also get this result with a shell, and with a shell it's much more faster. So let's right click here and let's suppress this, like this. Now let's go to the features, and here we have a tool, shell. So first here we have to choose faces which we want to remove. It can be one face, it can be few faces. So we want to remove this face. Here we have to define the thickness. So we're going to go with 5 millimeters. Here we can go with show preview. Now we can see the preview. We can also go shell outward, like this. But let's uncheck this. And now let's click OK. And now we got the same result as with Extruded Cut, but we didn't have to create a sketch, so this is much more faster. But as well, here we have some other options. So let's go to the shell again, Edit Feature. We can go to shell outward, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. Let's go back. Let's uncheck shell outward. Now let's delete this face. Let's go delete. Now we're going to choose faces to remove. We're going to choose this face, and this face. So let's see what we're going to get. Let's click OK. And now we got this. Now we removed this face, this face, this face. The thickness is still 5 millimeters. Now if you would do this with Extruded Cut, at least you would have to create 3 sketches. And with shell, you don't have to create sketch at all. Now let's go back. Let's go Edit Feature. Let's delete here, clear selections, and let's select this face, this one. And now for example, we want a different thickness on different faces. Let's say on this face we want a thickness 10 millimeters, and on this face we want a thickness 8 millimeters, and on the rest of the faces we want a thickness 5 millimeters. So we're going to remove this face. We have selected this face, and now we can go here down, multi-thickness setting. Let's click here, and now we're going to choose this face, and for this face we're going to define the thickness 10 millimeters, like this. Now we're going to select this face, and for this face we're going to define the thickness 8 millimeters, like this. So now if we click on the face 5, we can see that we have 10 millimeters, we can see here. And if we click on the face 6, we see that we have 8 millimeters. And on the rest of the faces we're going to have a thickness 5 millimeters. So let's click OK. And now we can see here we have 10 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and here we have 5 millimeters. And this is how you can remove material from solids to create a thin walled features.